Hello learners. Today we are going to discuss an important topic which is related to product, which is known as product life cycle. Like human being, a product is passing through different phases of its life cycle. Product life cycle is comprising of 4 stages. One is introduction, growth, maturity and decline phase. The first and initial stage of product life cycle is introduction phase. In introduction phase, the product is introduced in the market. So, in cost, we can say the cost is high cost for customer. The sales is very low. About the competition, there is very less competition is in the market. Since the product is newly introduced in the market, so the competitors or the competition level is very low. Profit is negative because the marketer or the manufacturer is investing more amount to create awareness, and since the sales is very low, the profit amount is very less. So in short, we can say in introduction phase, since the product is newly launched in the market, it has a very low customer awareness for which the sales is very less and the profit is also in negative because the company is spending more to create awareness and the sales is low, so the profit amount is approximately negative or very less. Now I will explain with one example. Suppose a company has introduced a smartphone with AI enabled feature which was not introduced earlier by the competitors. So here we can say that company has launched a new product which was in introduction phase. Since there is no awareness among the customers that how AI is going to help them or how AI enabled smartphone is going to help them, so the company is trying to create awareness that how one AI enabled smartphone is going to help you or is going to reduce your stress or is going to reduce your work stress. They are creating awareness about that. So for creating awareness, they are investing more and more. Since the company is introduced one unique feature in their mobile phone, they are charging more price since there is no competition is in the market. In this introduction phase, the sales is low just because of low awareness among the customers. Since there is low sales, the profit amount is also less and there is very less, or we can say there is no competition is in the market. This is all about introduction phase. Growth phase. This is the second phase of product life cycle. In this period, it is a period of rapid market acceptance and substantial profit improvement. In this phase, the sales is rapidly rising. Average cost per customer, profit is increasing, customers are early adopters, competitors are also increasing. So in short, we can say in growth phase, the consumers are accepting your product. So the sales number is increasing. Since the sales number is increasing, the profit amount is also increasing. Since you are getting more profit, you are accepted by the customers, so the competitors are also starts rising. In growth phase, the company has created a successful awareness program so that now the customers have the idea about the AI-enabled smartphone which was launched by the company in introduction phase. The consumers are accepting the phone in a large number. So the sales is increasing. Since the sales is increasing, the profit amount is also increasing. Since it is broadly accepted by the consumers, now the competitors are also thinking that we should implement this feature in our mobile. So for which the competitor number is also increasing in growth phase. The third phase of product life cycle is maturity phase. It is a period of slowdown in sales growth because the product has achieved acceptance by most potential customers. In this phase, the sales is in peak. Cost is low cost per customer. Profit is in peak, or we can say high profit is there. Customers are the middle majority and the competitors, there is a stable number, and we can say competitor is started declining. In short, we can say in maturity phase, the sales is in peak, the profit is in peak because it is broadly accepted by the customers and about the competitors, competitors are also in a stable number, and since it is in peak and there is a profit maximization was there, so now the competitors started declining. In our example, now due to that AI enabled smartphone, the company is able to get maximum profit by reaching the peak sales. Peak sales means the sale is in the highest number and the competitor is also increased, or the competitor is also in a stable number because it was broadly accepted by the customers. The last and fourth stage of product life cycle is decline phase. In decline phase, it is the period when sales show a downward drift and profit is declining or decreasing. If we will talk about the sales, the sale is declining, the profit is also declining, and the cost per customer is very low. Competitors are also very less in this phase. In short, we can say in decline phase, the sales are declining. So, since the sales number is very less, the profit amount is also less. The competitors are in decrease number. In example, there is n number of competitors are giving the same feature. Now the AI enabled feature is not a new one for customers. Maybe we can say some other features are introduced by the competitors. So now the sales is started declining. The sales is declining. The profit amount is also declining. Since the profit amount is declining, the consumer number is also in a less number. So this is all about the 4 stages of product life cycle.